functions of paint. The paint is a coating of liquid material which used over the surface of plaster, timber, and metals. 1. It provides a smooth and attractive surface. 2. It prevents corrosion in metal structures. 3. It guards the surface against weathering effects of the atmosphere and action by other liquids, fumes, and gases. 4. It is used to give a decorative effect on the surface. 5. It prevents the formation of bacteria and fungi, which are unhygienic and give an ugly look to the wall. 6. It prevents decay of woodwork. 'To read more, visit CivilNotePpt.com. Thank you.